Welcome to our exploration of Lean Six Sigma, the powerful methodology transforming businesses worldwide. But what exactly is Lean Six Sigma? At its core, Lean Six Sigma is a structured, data-driven approach to process improvement, aimed at eliminating waste, reducing variation, and improving efficiency across all aspects of an organization. By combining two powerful methodologies, Lean, which focuses on minimizing waste and increasing output rate, and Six Sigma, which aims to minimize variation and reduce defects, Lean Six Sigma empowers businesses to streamline operations and deliver exceptional quality. Lean Six Sigma uses teams of employees to apply the TMAC process. Teams begin their journey with the define phase, where they identify the problem, establish scope, and set objectives. Next comes the measure phase, where processes are mapped, data collected, and the current state of the process determined. In the analyze phase, teams delve deeper into the data to determine root causes and uncover opportunities for improvement. In the improve phase, solutions are developed, tested, and implemented to address the identified root causes. Finally, in the control phase, employees are trained on the new improved process and measures put in place to ensure improvements are sustained over time. So whether you're in manufacturing, healthcare, finance, or any other industry, Lean Six Sigma can help you achieve your business goals and deliver better value to your customers. Ready to embark on your Lean Six Sigma journey? Contact us today to learn more.